This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to learn Python. First, set up your development environment by installing Python and a good code editor, such as Visual Studio Code. Next, familiarize yourself with fundamental data types like integers, floats, strings, and booleans. Then, grasp the concept of variables and how to assign different values to them. This initial setup and understanding are crucial for your learning journey over the next 2 weeks. Moving forward, focus on core programming concepts. You'll want to master control flow, which includes if-else statements and different types of loops, to dictate program execution. Next, delve into functions, essential for writing reusable and organized code. Finally, practice extensively with lists and dictionaries, two powerful data structures for managing collections of information effectively. These are your building blocks. Now, let's tackle some intermediate Python skills. Begin by understanding the fundamental principles of object-oriented programming, which helps structure larger applications. Next, learn how to handle errors effectively using try-except blocks, making your code more robust. Most importantly, dedicate time to building small, practical projects. Applying what you've learned through hands-on coding solidifies your understanding significantly. To continue your Python journey, explore powerful external libraries such as NumPy for numerical computing or Pandas for data analysis. Challenge yourself by building a larger personal project, perhaps a web application or a data script. Alternatively, consider contributing to an open-source project. Always remember to utilize official online documentation and engage with the vibrant Python community for ongoing support and learning. Keep coding!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.